Hi everybody, and welcome to FIBO Group's tutorial on the Metatrader 4 platform. To place a pending order in Metatrader 4, you need to come over to the Market Watch window on the left and right click the currency pair you would like to select and then click New Order. From the drop down menu, you need to choose Pending Order. In the example, we want to trade the US dollar and we want to choose the buy limit option and set a limit to 113.60. Enter the volume of the trade you would like to place and then enter any stop loss or take profits here you would also like to place. Now we can click Place Order and click OK and come down to the bottom, and your buy limit will now appear in the trading window here. That's all from me for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.